How to add someone to your Slack channel. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open Slack and navigate to the channel where you want to add a new member. Channels can be public, open to everyone, or private, restricted to invited members only. 2. Click on the channel name at the top to open channel details, then select Add People. If the option isn't visible, you may not have permission to invite members. Contact an admin if needed. 3. In the pop-up window, enter the email address or Slack username of the person you want to invite. If they are already part of your Slack workspace, their name will appear as you type. Decide whether they should have access to past messages or only see new ones. Some teams prefer to give new members full history access so they can catch up, while others prefer limiting it for privacy reasons. 5. Click Add to finalize the invitation. The person will receive a notification in Slack or an email invite if they're not yet a member of the workspace. 6. Once added, send them a welcome message with important details about the channel. Include information like channel guidelines, pinned messages, and any useful links to help them get started. 7. If the channel is private, ensure they have the correct permissions to view messages and participate in discussions. Go to Channel Settings and verify that their role is set correctly.